guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Sidan and I do hair videos, makeup videos, as well as fashion. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button as well as the notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair, like how I did this balayage on this hair. It was a natural color. I think natural is like 1B, right? It's like a natural color wig that I got from Lumiere. Is it Lumiere? Let me just check. Yeah, that I got from Lumiere Hair Company. They sent me this wig and it is a natural wave bob. I'm gonna have all the information in the description bar. So they sent me this wig and it came into this box. Pretty little packaging. In the box I got some flexi rods, which I didn't use, a card that says Lumiere Hair, they're like the information, the social media information, and how to care for the hair, and their return policy, as well as their contact information. So this is also in the pack. And then they sent a wig cap, which is brown, which is so good because, you know, normally they send that light one that you have to always like put concealer or your foundation on. So they sent this brown one which should match or us dark skinned girls. So yeah, let's talk about the hair before I get into because the next clip is gonna be me showing how I got this color. The only thing I don't like about this wig, I love the density of it because it's for bob. I don't think bob should be very thick, so I love the density for this wig. The parting space is what kills me, bro. Like, this is the only parting space that I have. I mean, I made it work because I just kind of like to the middle part. I don't like how it looks middle part because this like right here, and I'm like, okay, this is look like a struggle middle part, so I didn't like that. So I brought it to the side and it looks nice. Like it looks nice to the side, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the color. It's like subtle, like, you know, subtle, like what you call it, brunette balayage with some highlights. But I really love how this comes out. I think this suits my complexion really well. Like, I like it. I like it for the subtle days when I don't want to wear my blonde and I just want to look nice and classy. Not saying blonde doesn't look classy, but you understand what I mean, like, you know. I hope you guys like this video. As I said, all the information is going to be in the description bar, as well as check out Lumiere Hair Company. And yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be using the Schwarzkopf BlondMe bleach with a 30 volume developer, and I'm going to just distribute this all over the hair because I wanted the hair to a level 6, and then I would balayage it to like a level 8 or 9. I didn't want it too blonde. I just want something subtle, so I just went in with a mixture. This bleach works so fast and it smells so good. This was my first time working with it, but I left it on for like, I didn't leave it on for long because by the time I finished the whole head, it was pretty much time to remove. Also, I wish I didn't put the bleach on the roots first because it bleached so fast. By the time I was finished, the roots was way lighter than what I wanted, but it ended up working out anyway. So this is what it looks like after I remove it and stuff. I just wash it out and then let it dry. You can tell, as I said, the roots were too light. This is my sectioning for the balayage. Okay, so for the subsection, I part the hair diagonal. Diagonal will help blending. As I said before in my last video, if you guys watch it, diagonal will help with blending. So I part the hair in diagonal sections, and I take about an inch and a half subsection, and then I start to distribute the lightener. First I go upwards to ensure there's no line of demarcation. That will help with blending as well, and everything will just transition smoothly. And I put the lightener on just the top layer of the hair, so I do not saturate the hair. I only put it at the top layer of the hair. This is the difference between a balayage and a highlight or blonding. Like, you only put the lightener at the top, layer of the hair. So pretty much when I'm doing the subsection, I make a triangle. So I did diagonal one side, diagonal the other side, and then in the middle, that gap, I make a straight line. And that again will help with blending. So you guys can watch, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just watch me while I do it. And there. So also I let this sit on the hair for like it was like 45 to an hour, and then I rinse it out.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
When I reached for the front section, I did the same parting, diagonal, diagonal. So diagonal parting, then another diagonal parting. It's self-explanatory. Pretty much all you need to know is don't saturate the hair. Put the bleach on the top layer of the hair, and when you reach to the roots, blend upwards. Distribute the color upwards so it helps with blending and no line of demarcation. That's all. It's a simple technique. Also, I'm very sorry that I use these products at the Redken. That's probably not easy access for you guys. But the reason why I do this is because I'm trying to learn, because you guys know I went to school for this. So I'm trying to learn these products, because when I was in school, I never used these products. I use Aveda products. So right now, this is my time to learn and practice, to know what works, what doesn't work, what kind of mistakes I get from this. So I'm really sorry. There's other colors out there that you guys can use that has like the same 6N, or you know what I mean, to do the same things. The bleach and the developer, you can get it on Amazon, I think. I'm gonna put the link in the description bar. At the extreme front, I did 2 subsection where I foil, and I put those in foil because I wanted them to be really light. Those will be my money piece. You know, whether you see those 2 lightest piece or streaks at the front of like people's hair and stuff. That's the reason why I did that, and I wanted them to get as light as possible. Then I went in with Redken Shades EQ in 9P, and I think it's 6N. So I wanted to neutralize all those orange tones out of the hair, just like I said. 6N was for the roots. I put that on the roots, and then I went in with the 9P to cancel out all those orange brassy tones that I didn't want. I let that sit for like an hour, I think. And then I rinsed it out. Still had a little bit of orange tone that I didn't really like. So I went in with purple shampoo, and I let that sit in the hair for like over 2 hours. And then it got to the shade that it is now. So that's all I did when I was bleaching my hair. So yeah, this was just a simple look, like an easy cook, everyday kind of color that I wanted. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think about this hair color and if you like it. And yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.